Okay, I'm hooked up. Had to go get the GoPro.
Oh, you turned it on?
Yeah.
All right, Jesse just hooked up. We're here at Georgiana Slough. And take your time. Start sounding like your friend. Take your time. Take your time.
Get the net out there.
Right, I'm trying to get him out there. 1 second.
Go.
Got him.
Yeah. Shoo.
Jesse just caught the fish that I let go.
Yeah.
Let me get that back there. Come on, baby.
He's keeper, huh?
Oh, this is a keeper.
Oh, he swallowed that shit. Bring him up here. Yeah, buddy. Here. Here, right here.
Just bring it down. Yep, there you go. Turn it to your left. Let me see. Point the GoPro this way. Yeah. Woo!
Give me one more fish.
Is this your keeper?
This is my keeper.
Like I'm saying, like the one of the year so far?
That's my second one.
Second one? Okay. Is this still on?
Yeah.
Okay. This is Jesse. Just caught the his keeper. Maybe a keeper. I'm most likely thinking for sure it is a keeper.
Right there.
18 inches, baby.
On the 18 and a half.
18 and a half. That's a keeper.
That's from the fork.
From the fork? From the tail's like 20, huh? 19?
19.
Okay.
So I tell you, I know you're the keeper. Yeah, with Georgie. With George.
Woo!
There you go.
With George right here. April, what is it, the 28th?
I don't know.
Somewhere around there, but
I gotta go get the rope.
y'all know. I got one.
You got one too?
I got a rope, yeah.
Alright. We'll attach it to mine.
Yep.